Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a little bit since we've been on the channel, but we are back now and we're gonna go on a little bit of a cruise today. Big Memorial Day cruise going on up Mount Lemmon, which if you're not from Arizona, it's kind of a nice route. So hopefully we get a lot of people there and this is a good cruise. We are giving the white STI a little bit of love today. I was gonna take the blue STI, but that car is desperately in need of tires and we haven't driven this one in a while, so we're gonna drive this one. It is crazy how different the driving experiences are between this one and the 2021 VA chassis STI. You would think like, okay, they're both STIs, you'd be like, okay. You would think that because they're both STIs that they would be very similar, but this car, like, if you compare them side by side, is so much shorter in wheelbase, so it just feels and responds totally differently. Not to mention that this car has way more horsepower than the 2021 STI, but it is crazy to kind of see the difference between the two. This car is the fact that it's equal length headers, but whatever. Got all these muscle cars. Subi. It should be a pretty good turnout today. We already have a bunch of people and we're like 20 minutes away from rollout, so it should be a fun time. I'm gonna set up, I got the new Osmo Pocket 3 camera. Want to kind of try it out today. I'm gonna set it up as kind of like a dash cam in the car. That way I can focus on driving but still get footage. So we're gonna try it out, see what happens. I don't know how well it's gonna go, but I've heard lots of good things about the camera, so we'll try it out. A little bit of a change of plans. We're riding up into Supra. I thought I'd take a chance and be passenger princess for one. We're about to roll out here, and dude, I never realized how small it is inside the Supra. This is crazy.
Hey, at least my car works though.
Bro, my car works. I don't want to hear it. I have two semi-functioning vehicles.
What is that word, semi though?
I don't know, bro. Bro, seeing the F80 and the F87 in front of us makes me want one so bad. What you think about that?
You should get one. That was my dream car before like I bought anything. You should get one. The f***ing hips on it, dude.
Yeah.
Look at that shit.
Look at that
shit.
It looks so good. I get this dilemma of like, do I save up and wait for a G80, or do I just go straight, like just get the F80 and level up from there?
Get an F80. I heard G80s have like no soul. And then F80s is just that timeless design. You can't beat that.
This is true. This is true. Bro, it's not as fast as the STI, bro.
Shut the f up. Coming with you because now I want to buy this car. It's for sale.
I know it's for sale.
Everything has a price.
Yeah, and it's got perfect fitment. But look at that F80 though.
But what sound?
If it'll focus. I don't know, bro. F8. I've never heard the F80.
Yeah. Because people like F80 owners don't want you to hear them.
I feel like F80s are so like particular about the exhaust setup.
Yeah.
Like if you don't get the exhaust setup right, it sounds like shit.
Yeah.
This is actually such a nice drive in the summertime. Now that it's finally officially summer, be doing a lot more of this stuff. You have the one-time fit.
Every chance I get to wear a hoodie, I will. I'll take it.
You're used to that Cali weather, bro.
Yeah.
I should not have rode in that Supra. I really want to buy it now. Definitely would have to sell the STI to get it, but that car is absolutely insane. I mean, it's super fun, and it's something that's like not overly built, so I couldn't like daily it. So we'll see. Maybe a Supra coming to the channel near you. It's got like perfect fitment on the TEs. We'll see. I don't know, man. I don't know. It is such a great day out here. It's perfect weather for this. It's finally nice out, summer, a lot of people. Dark horse over here, 135. Got some Subi. I'm going to try to get the drone out and get some drone footage, because check out this view. We're all the way down there. I don't know if you can see that. All the way down there. But this view is awesome. This thing is so nice.
So you're buying it?
Dude, I don't know, man. Don't tempt me. Bro, that is unreal. And I'm shifting at like 3,500.
Right in this car, dude.
Yeah? Dude, I feel like I don't fit in this car. Honestly, like, I thought that the visibility was going to be a lot worse.
Mm-hmm. It's not bad.
Like when you're driving it.
It's better than a Camaro.
Oh, yeah. With your like total boy fitment, it really doesn't ride that hard.
Yeah.
They are out today. I mean, it makes sense. Memorial Day weekend, best road in Tucson.
Nice weather.
Yeah, perfect.
How could you not be out here?
How could you not be out here? Oh, it is actually such a nice day out.
It's beautiful. The weather was this here right now, 66, dude.
Yeah.
Perfect. It's boost weather.
We get back down to Tucson though. It's gonna be like
90. I think the high today was 96.
That's not too bad. But dude, it's been so like the UV's been so high. It makes it feel like it's so much hotter.
Yeah.
Squeeze me. I will say it is definitely tempting. This car is super fun. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. I'm not gonna say yes or no, but might be having a Supra soon here in the future. I will say this fitment, it's really nice. It's got the T37 Black Edition 3s on it, and just on some HKS lowering springs, and it does look really nice. color on this F87 M2 is one of my favorite colors. It's not the, I don't know if this is the Laguna Seca blue. Someone correct me down in the comments, but because I know there's one that's a little bit more baby bluish than this, but this is super nice. I'm a big metallic paint type of guy. I really like metallic paint. I mean, all my cars have been metallic paint, except for the white Subi, but I'm super happy to be up here. I mean, just look at this. Everybody up here.
Dude, they're fucking Chinese. What do you want? I'm gonna drop ship the fuck out of them hoes. They're 40 bucks.
Bro, you're gonna break it.
Does it sound crazy from behind though?
It does sound crazy. It sounds like fucking a weed whacker.
It like farts.
It sounds like
It's
a
like-
weed whacker.
I couldn't tell if yours or Bryce's.
Oh, it's probably Bryce's.
Because I heard you downshift and slow down and then and I was like,
Dude, that car is a lot of fun, I will say. I don't know if I picked it up on camera, but it drives like the Supra drives very similarly to the M340. Just like steering feel and like, you know, how the chassis feels. Obviously this is a coupe, a totally different car. But I don't know, it just feels very similar to the 340 in my opinion. So it kind of made me miss the 340 a little bit, but we'll bring a fast car back to the channel soon. But for now, STI is fun.
these paddle shifters are way better.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, they're like 4 times the price.
$40 got me right.
You gotta spend $400 on paddle shifters.
40
minimum.
dog.
400.
AliExpress got me
10400.
Hey, dude.
Okay.
No, the difference in that is like insane.
Here we go. Oh yeah. These are much better. Much better.
Yeah, an extra zero makes it much better.
You know what's crazy is they're probably both made in the same factory.
SPL arms.
Let's wrap this car blue.
There's a Hellcat fuel pump. It's ready.
Bro, you don't want it.
Door stage 2.
You don't want it.
Oh, dude. I want that M Cloud.
I slapped the pier on. You're making 650
Bro, just
wheel.
put an M badge on the Supra. You got the M Cloud.
I mean, it does have the M badge.
This is what the Supra misses right here.
Keys to 135. We're gonna drive this down. I'm probably not gonna film a whole lot. I'm just gonna focus on driving. It's not my car, so we'll see you at the bottom. All right, let's talk for just a second. Don't get me wrong. I really enjoy this STI. It's a lot of fun. It is, you know, it's been one of my kind of realistic dream cars for a long time, and I finally have it. But after driving the Supra and driving the 135 today, I kind of miss having that turbo European inline six. I've done the Subarus a whole lot. I really wish I had more time with the M340 when I did have it, but you know, I couldn't have anticipated getting into a wreck. So I don't know. Is it time to sell the STI and move on and maybe get something, you know, either the BMW or a Supra? I don't know. Kind of torn, because I really do enjoy this car. I mean, look at it. There's nothing like that big wing and the Subi rumble. It was a lot of fun being out with the guys today. It's finally starting to warm up here in Arizona. The weather is super nice. I would have driven the white STI up there, but they offered to let me drive the Supra, so I took up on that. What do you guys think? Should I sell the STI and move on from the Subaru world, or should I build up the STI? Let me know down in the comments below. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Now that summer's here, I'm gonna try to get more on a consistent upload schedule and try to push more content out for you guys. But with that, we'll see you in the next one.